of the evening, the award announcements. I request Mr. Gopalakrishnan, our chief guest, to give away the Polestar Award for the year 2012 along with Arun Jain. The award comprises a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh, a trophy and a citation. Our very first award for the evening is the Polestar Award for IT Journalism. The winner is vastly experienced communication specialist with more than 16 years of experience with core expertise in writing about the business of information technology. He is currently working with United Business Media in the capacity of Executive Editor, Information Week India. He is fully responsible for the Information Week India edition, leading a team of talented journalists. Prior to this, he was playing the role of Head Conference for Interop Mumbai and Cloud Connect Bangalore, besides being responsible for the India edition of Information Week. And the 15th Polestar Award for the Best Feature in IT Journalism, Best Feature in IT Journalism for the year 2012 goes to Mr. Srikanth RP for his article, How Indian Television Show Satyamev Jayate Used Big Data to Inspire the World, published in Information Week, dated August 27, 2012. Srikanth, you want to share a few words with us?
Okay, I just don't have words to describe this moment. This is my second Polestar award, so I thank my, stars, family, support, friends, and whatever supernatural force is there above. I just have a few words to express. I have never intended to be a journalist. I don't have any formal training in journalism. This may be discouraging to people who have trained to be journalists, but I started my career as a programmer, so it's just, I will not say fully destiny, but considering that I won 2 awards, something must have been right. So something has been right in me choosing this decision to be a journalist. All I can say is, if you just enjoy your work as a journalist, and I think your story speaks for itself. I think that's the only mantra I've followed all my life. Thank you.
We now move on to the next category, business journalism. With 15 years of experience as a journalist, specializing in the areas of power, infrastructure and economy, the winner is the Associate Editor of Outlook Business. With an MPhil in Applied Economics, he started his journalism career with Business Standard in 1996. Before joining Outlook Business, he worked with Business World, Indian Express, Financial Express and the Business Standard. Apart from writing opinion articles, he has also written several news stories on his specialized subject and has authored many academic articles on the power sector. The 15th Polestar Award for the Best Feature in Business Journalism for the year 2012 goes to Kandula Subramaniam for his article Stinking Rich, published in Outlook Business, dated July 21st, 2012. Can we have Kandula Subramaniam come out to the stage, please?
Request you to say a few words,
Normally, journalists don't give speeches. We listen. I didn't come prepared to say anything, but I don't think the compare told you what the story was all about. The story was about crap, waste. And when we first conceived the story, nobody is willing to take it, including the photographer, because he had to go to the vast mounds of garbage. So finally, we debated who will do the story. So I said, I'll do the story, but then who will take photographs? So I actually had to bribe the photographer with a cup of coffee and all. saying, तू जा, मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं आ गया, पहुँच गया हूँ. सर आप कहाँ पे हो? मैंने कहा ट्रैफिक जैम में हूँ. The guy, poor guy, had already gone inside. I'd actually seen the place, but he had to spend time there and take those photographs. I'm actually mentioning this because the kind of effort that goes into a story is not one person who writes it. It's a collective team effort. That's where I like to, say thanks to my entire team who put the story together and the jury members. Thanks a lot.
After much deliberation, this year, the jury decided to recognize 2 journalists for their exceptional work, which they thought deserved a mention. We have 2 jury special mention awards this year. These winners will be awarded with a citation and a trophy. The first winner is a Bangalore-based business and IT journalist with about 6 years of experience. He is currently working as the principal correspondent of Information Week India, where he is responsible for writing news, views, and features in technology and the business value of technology. He tracks IT services and emerging technologies such as cloud, mobility, big data, and social media, and has written several trend-setting stories around them. He is globally well exposed as he has covered technology summits and conferences both at the national and international level. The first Jury Special Mention Award for the year 2012 goes to Ayushman Barua for his article, Healthcare Industry, Prescribing a Dose of Technology, published in Information Week, dated October 22, 2012.
Hi. Exactly 10 years back in 2003, I enrolled myself into a course called Media Technologies from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. At that time, it was a distant dream for me to be a journalist, let alone win an award of this stature. So today, it's like a dream come true for me, And I would like to thank my father, first of all, for enrolling me into this course, especially because in 2003 times, media wasn't a mainstream subject, and it took courage for parents to choose media as a career for their for their children, especially if it's their only son. And my father had the vision and the confidence in me to choose media, so cheers to him. Yeah. And of course, I would like to thank the jury for having selected my article, and of course, many thanks to Polaris and Polestar for instituting this award and inspiring many journalists like us to do better work. Thank you very much.
The next Jury Special Mention Award for the year 2012 goes to a person who has been working with Mint since June 2009 as a web editor. She graduated from Delhi University with an honors in journalism and went on to earn a postgraduate diploma in journalism, specializing in new media from Asian College of Journalism, Chennai. She is responsible for video production and social media at Mint. The Jury Special Mention Award goes to Geetika Rustagi for her article, Internal Networks at Work Go Social, published in Mint, dated October 24, 2012.
Okay, this is my first professional recognition, so it's very special to me. And I'm a newbie among the veterans here and who've been covering the industry for so long. So thank you, Polestar Foundation, for appreciating what we do, and that's it. I think it's it's a good day for me, and it's just a very special moment. Thank you.
That brings us to the end of the awards for the evening. I would like to congratulate all the winners, and I now request Mr. Arun Jain to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. R. Gopalakrishnan.